I am Saraswati V. Patil, Assistant Professor of Economics, Government First Grade College, Siggaon. This is the Karnataka University, Dharwad, BCom First Semester Business Economics syllabus. Unit 3rd, Demand Analysis. Methods of Demand Estimation, Least Square Method. In the previous class, we have discussed the methods of demand estimation, trend projection. Today, I will discuss the demand estimation, that is the least square method. The common method of constructing the line of best fit is the least square method. Here we assume a linear trend. The equation for straight line trend is y equal to a plus bx, where a is the intercept, b impact of independent variable, swatantra chalaka, y is forecasting and dependent variable, y is ಅವಲಂಬಿತ ಚಲಕ ಅಥವಾ ಮುನ್ನಂದಾಜನ್ನ ಮಾಡುವುದು, x is here will be independent variable. Least square method. Here is a problem. Indian export of tea during different years are given below. Estimate the export trend of tea for the next 5 years. Years 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. Export we have measured in terms of crores: 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. First column that indicates the year, second one that is the sales, it indicates the y, time deviation x, x square, and last column is x y. Year is 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. Here number of years, that is the 5. 2002, 2006, that is the n equal to 5. Sales, that is the 20, 30, 40, 50 and 2006 in 60. Summation y equal to 200. Sum of all these 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Summation y equal to 200. And third column, time deviation. First we find out the mid-year. Mid-year, that is the 2004. Minus 2, 2003 minus 1, 2004 0, 2005 1, 2006 that is the 2. 2002 minus 2004 minus 2. 2004 2003 minus 2004 minus 1. 2004 minus 2004, that is the 0. 2005 minus 2004 1. 2006 minus 2005, that is the 2. Summation x equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 1, that is the 3. 1 plus 2, that is the 3. Plus minus minus, that is the 0. X square. X into x, x square. Minus 2 into minus 2, that is the 4. Minus 1 into minus 1, 1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, that is the 4. Summation x square equal to 10. X y. X into y equal to xy. 20 into minus 2, that is the 40. 30 into minus 1, that is minus 30. 40 into 0, 0. 50 into 1, 50, 60 into 2, that is the 120. Sum of all these xy, then get the summation xy equal to 100. We need to find out the values of a and b through the following formula. A equal to summation y divided by n, b equal to summation xy divided by summation x square. Therefore, we need to find out the values of summation y, summation xy, summation x square. We can get these values through putting the values of x in the above table. Solution: y equal to a plus bx, a equal to summation y divided by n, b equal to summation xy divided by summation x square. Find out the a and b values. Already I solved this problem. A equal to 200 divided by 5. In the previous slides, 200 summation y equal to 200, sum of the y values. 5 is number of years equal to 40. To forecast the 2007 and 2008, b value equal to 100. In the previous slides, b value is means that is xy value is 100. 100 divided by 10 equal to 10 ones are 10 tens are equal to 10. Here forecast the 2007 and 2008 values. 2007 equal to 40 plus 10. A value is a 40, B value is a 10 into 3. 3 is a time deviation. It means that is the x value. 40 plus 10 3s are 30. 40 plus 30, that is the 70. That in the 2007 forecast the value that is the 70. B value 10. A value is 40. Forecast the 2008 values. 2008 equal to 40 plus 10. Time deviation that is the 4. 2008 minus 2004 equal to value is time deviation that is the 4. So therefore 40 plus 10 fours are 40. 40 plus 40 equal to 80. 2007 value is 70. 2008 value is 80. Continue part. 2009 40 plus 10 into 5. 2009 minus 2004, that is the x value is that is the 5. 40 plus 50. 10 5s are 50. That is the 90. 2010 40 plus 10, a and b values. X value is that is the 6. 2010 minus 2004, for 2004 that is the mid value. 40 plus 60, 10 into 6 that is the 60. 40 plus 60 equal to 100. This is the export trend of T for 2007 to 2010. 2007 trend of T is 70. 2008 is equal to 80. 2009 equal to 90. 2010 equal to 100. Therefore, after getting the values a and b, the equation of the line of the best fit is equal to y equal to a plus bx. Using this equation, we can find out the trend values for the previous years and estimate the sales of a future. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the trend values? Advantages: very popular in business world. Disadvantage, past rate of a change in a dependent variable. Advantage, less expensive. Disadvantage, cannot be used for short-term forecasting. Advantage, better guide to forecast the future sales of production. Disadvantage, does not bring out the measures of relationship between independent and dependent variable. So lastly, conclude this part. Today we have studied the methods of DD estimation through the least square method. Thank you. Thank you everyone.